Hi, I'm Torie, your MV reporter, and welcome to Berlin for another world premiere exclusive from Mercedes-Benz. Now, I don't want to give too much away on the type of vehicle they're unveiling, but keep an eye out for the very subtle hint. So maybe you're looking for a comfortable passenger vehicle or a cargo van, or maybe a mix of both. You'll definitely be looking for something that's practical and reliable, because let's face it, this vehicle is probably going to be an integral part of your business, and you want it to perform at the top range every single time. And that is what Mercedes-Benz promised to deliver, and we're going to see how. The Vito panel van comes with several safety and assistance systems, such as attention assist, side wind assist. It also has a tyre pressure monitoring system, all as standard. If you want some optional extras, you've got things like collision assist. So all in all, ensuring that you are safe inside the van and your vehicle is constantly on the road. You could say the Vito isn't particularly thirsty. In fact, it has a really low fuel consumption, 5.7 litres to every 100 kilometres to be exact, which makes it really economical. But it also has long maintenance intervals. In fact, this can run for around 40,000 kilometres or up to about 2 years before going in for a service. And even though it's more economical, it can actually carry more weight. In fact, more weight by 120 kilograms. The cockpit design has been inspired by the legendary Sprinter for its clear arrangement and easy operation. There's also more storage solutions and a multifunctional steering wheel, which all add to the practicality of the van. So let's hear a little bit more from an expert. Thank you so much for joining us. To begin with, as a designer of a commercial vehicle, what differs when you're designing those vehicles?
In the end, and it differs not so much. I think simply if people talk about buying a private car, so talk about I buy it because I like it best, I like the styling, I like the line. And a commercial vehicle, they would say, wow, I got this vehicle because it offers me the best quality, but the quality expresses itself in the styling. So it's kind of, the discussion about styling is more direct on passenger cars and a little bit indirect on commercial vehicles, but its significance the same.
One thing that I really like about these vehicles is that you've got the opportunity to customise it yourself before even collecting it, so to speak. If you could customise your own van, talk us through, what would you go for?
I think for myself, I would like to use it, of course, not only during the week, but also on the weekend. So I definitely would go for the Vito Select, so which offers a chrome package and brings it at the level of a mid-segment passenger car, or even on a higher segment. And I would go for the strong engine CDI Blue Tech with 190 horsepower, which is available even with all-wheel drive. And with that car, I could do anything with my mountain bike and in my private life as well. Well, it's a dream car.
And that's quite unique with these mid-range, mid-size vehicles, the all-wheel drive. That's quite a new feature.
Yes, so the car is available with front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive and all-wheel. So you can do really anything you like with that car.
Well, I think you've done a fantastic job, and so does a lot of other people here. There's a lot of excitement in this amazing building that we're in today. So well done. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, thank you very much.
The new Vito stands for diversity. It's functional, it's self-confident, and it's durable. A true Mercedes-Benz commercial vehicle. And as they say, if you want to do a professional job, get the professionals in to do it.